Now, how is this brought about? I have no body that is distinct from my soul. I drop dead right now. You take the body up, in a few days it's turned to ash, and you scatter. So here I have no body distinct from my soul, from my reality. Then what is this? How did it come about? The independent soul, in its descent into this age, this world of death, penetrates and annexes the brain of a physical body, which is part of the eternal structure of the universe. And in penetrating and annexing the brain of a physical body, it embodies itself, entombs itself in that body. That is how Jesus is buried. That's how he is crucified. He is crucified on the body. He is entombed in the body. And there he dreams the dream of life. Now, this alliance, as you and I descended into these tombs, this alliance with the brain of a physical body, where we are now entombed, is not less wonderful than that alliance which you and I will realize and experience when we ascend and penetrate and annex the brain of the heavenly man. As we have borne the image of the man of dust, we shall bear the image of the man of heaven. We are the reality. We are the gods. We are the gods that came down into this world. And here we are now entombed in the very body that we penetrated and annexed its brain. And there we are, dreaming this dream of life.